Hey, I'm Danica the Diabetic, and I'm here to talk to you about something serious today: pancreatic cancer. A couple weeks ago, I participated in the Big Dobrowski Volleyball Tournament. It was a tribute to an icon in the volleyball community, Jordan, who unfortunately passed due to pancreatic cancer. He was way too young for that, and now this whole annual tournament is a powerful platform to raise awareness about pancreatic cancer by bringing people together to do something fun. I want to take it one step further. As a person living with type 1 diabetes and someone who's a health enthusiast who works with diabetic clients across the country and the globe, I want to get serious about this urgent connection between diabetes and pancreatic cancer. This tournament wasn't just about competition, it was about coming together to educate and to inspire action. Let's talk about why this is so important and what you can do to help. Did you know that diabetes can increase the risk of pancreatic cancer, especially if you're diagnosed after the age of 50 or if you've had diabetes for more than 5 years? Certain communities like Black and Latinx individuals, aka me, are at even a higher risk. That's why staying informed about the symptoms and the risk factors is crucial. Supporting research is another way to make a big difference. By getting involved with organizations like PanCan through donations or volunteering, you're helping find research that could lead to earlier detection and better outcomes for pancreatic cancer patients, because every little bit counts. The pancreas is small but mighty. It helps us digest food and regulate our blood sugar through insulin and glucagon. Unfortunately, mine is dead. So that's why I'm here talking to you guys, because I don't want anyone else to have to go through what I go through, especially if it can be prevented. So this pancreas thing, it's small and mighty. It helps us digest our food and regulate our blood sugars through insulin and glucagon. And like me, mine is dead. So for anyone who might have prediabetes, family history diabetes, or anything like that, I have type 1, so there's not a lot I could do. But if this can be prevented, let's get to work. Let's educate you, because I wouldn't wish this upon anybody. But when something goes wrong here, it can lead to pancreatic dysfunction or even a tumor. This is where the link between diabetes and pancreatic cancer becomes so crucial to understand. Pancreatic cancer is challenging to detect early, and most cases are diagnosed at an advanced stage. This is why monitoring your health and seeking medical advice from a sudden change is so important, because, your health is important and you're worth it. The Big Dobrowski Volleyball Tournament was an annual reminder that life should not be taken for granted, and taking proactive health measures through education and community engagement can go a long way. It is just the beginning of our fight for awareness and early detection. And as someone living with diabetes and someone impacted by pancreatic cancer, I don't have it, but I know a lot of people who have, and it's not cool. It's really not cool. So let's do everything we can. Every serve, every spike, and every cheer carried a deeper meaning. It was a commitment to fight back against this disease and to honor the memory of those that we've lost, like Jordan. So what can we do? Stay informed, support research, and take care of ourselves and each other. We're all in this together, diabesties. Let's keep it in the spirit of this tournament and live by continuing to raise awareness and make a difference. Remember, diabetes does not define us. It's how we handle it that shapes us. Thank you for tuning in. Danica out.